Hi guys, welcome back to the Tech channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a free VPN on your Chrome browser. And the first thing is to launch the Chrome browser on your PC, and once it's launched you'd want to come to the top right corner of the screen and click on this three vertical ellipses menu, and then come to the extensions menu and over on extensions, and you should see the option to visit Chrome Web Store. So just go ahead and click on that. Alright, so once Chrome Web Store is fully loaded, the next thing you'd want to do is to search for free VPN. Now there are a couple of options that you can use. You can see that this is quite a handy list of VPNs that you can install on your Chrome browser. But for the sake of the video, we're going to be going with the Ola VPN extension. So just go ahead and click on Ola VPN, and you should see the option to add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Alright, so Ola VPN, your website unblocker has been added. Now if you click on extensions, from the list of extensions on my Chrome browser, you can see Ola VPN right here. So I'll just go ahead and have it pinned so it becomes very accessible on the browser. So once I've done that, if you click on it, see, let's get you the online access that you'd want. Now from here you can go ahead and choose your preferred location. I guess these are the locations that are available for free users. So as soon as you pick a location, it gets connected. You can see right here, Ola VPN, your website unblocker, has access to this site. So you're already connected to the VPN using Ola. Now you can use all these locations absolutely free on the Ola VPN. Now the second option I'm going to show you from the Chrome Web Store is Ultrasoft. Now Ultrasoft is a nifty VPN extension that allows you to quickly unblock any website. And what you need to do is to click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and as soon as it's added to your list of extensions, you can come to the extensions right here and then have it pinned, and once it's accessible here you can click on it and have it on or off. In the case of Ultrasoft, you have just one single VPN location. All it does is, as soon as you toggle it on, it switches your connection to the default location, and you can use it to unblock any site that is restricting you based on your location. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.